fuck it, nigga. All I got is my balls and my word. That's a phrase I'm sure we all done heard. So I'd rather live by it than talk about it. Get that guap where I'm from, you can't talk without it. I got asphalt in my veins, everything to gain. The prize in my sight, the city in my pulse. I'm vocal as a ninja when it comes to my life. You niggas just have to wait and see the results. I swear to God, I'm a rocket scientist. Nigga dropped the bomb, now I got him buying it. But don't be fooled by the gym shining. You listen to him rhyming, you know I'm out to rule this bitch like M. Bison. Nigga, I'm Genghis Khan, Joe Stalin. It'll never change until the day Joe ballin'. I got an insane drive to make these chips. I figure it'll kill me or make me rich. Come on. Money, check, niggas, check. Honeys, check, liquor, check. I'm getting my change while switching the lanes. Guess I'm in the fast lane, nigga. Money, check, niggas, check. Honeys, check, liquor, check. I'm getting my change while switching the lanes. Guess I'm in the fast lane, nigga. Got a thing for that Bentley coupe. Cherry red nigga on them 22s. If some of these niggas that can't read bought one, there's no logical reason why I ain't got one. So I'm working day and night like the king of pop, becoming one with the city till I bleed the block. I'm a hustler in a Cali mind state. Bathing apes, red monkeys love the primates. I'm living life like there's no tomorrow. Every day I know I'm closer to my fate. But right now, dying ain't an option. When my grandkids are rich, I consider lying in a coffin. And I can never dodge sitting on white road, handcuffed for an hour while my rights are told. And when they release me to keep me, there's no point. They ask for my autograph, they love my joints. Sucker. Money, check, niggas, check. Honeys, check, liquor, check. I'm getting my change while switching the lanes. Guess I'm in the fast lane, nigga. Money, check, niggas, check. Honeys, check, liquor, check. I'm getting my change while switching the lanes. Guess I'm in the fast lane, nigga. The life of a rapper, the life of a trapper. Through turmoil and stress, I stay fresh and dapper. Never impressed with the tech clappers. Only 8-figure check cashes, Benz and leg smashes. What these niggas want, coke or crack. Universal flow, shoot, sniff or smoke the track. I'm thinking like a young Nino, SJ's my Carter. I've set up shop to take over every block. The way I see it, we all crabs in a bucket. We'll stay there till we die if rap doesn't cut it. Haters wanna bury me alive. This ain't casino, nigga, you'll never bury McFly. I'm a warrior, go tell Biff to join the riffs. We'll see who's the first to not exist, you catch my drift. I'm going out like purple or great blaze. Just walking the lane that the game paved, nigga. Money, check, niggas, check. Honeys, check, liquor, check. I'm getting my change while switching the lanes. Guess I'm in the fast lane, nigga. Money, check, niggas, check. Honeys, check, liquor, check. I'm getting my change while switching the lanes. Guess I'm in the fast lane, nigga.